So again, we're going to use that same proportion. We can break this problem down. Is over of equals whatever the percent is over 100. So let's find all those pieces. Here I see the word is 20. So 20 goes on top. Of, looking through there it is, of 90. 90 goes on the bottom. Percent, well it says what percent? That means we don't know the percent. That'll be X. And the percent always goes over 100. The 100 will never change. That's the only thing that will never ever change in this process. So we have all the pieces that we need. You have options here. You could take 20 over 90 and reduce it. If you wanted to take the extra step to reduce these things first, you can do that. In this case, I think it's actually pretty helpful. So I am going to go ahead and do that. 20 over 90, well, they both end in 0. We can lop the zeros off and say that it's 2 over 9. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll solve the proportion by cross-multiplying. 9 times x gives me 9x. 2 times 100 gives me 200. This means I need to divide by 9 to solve this. So I need to find how many times 9 goes into 200. Well, 9 goes into 20 twice. That'd make 18. 2 left over. 9 goes into 20 twice. That's 18. I'll have a 2 left over. I'll add my decimal. Another 0. I keep getting 20, which means I'm going to keep getting 2's. This is just going to keep repeating. So as I put this in, I kept getting 2's over and over and over. You could have stopped at this point and said 22 and 2 left over 9 as a fraction. We're going to go ahead and make this one a decimal. So 22 and repeating 2. But please look at the original question. What did they ask you for? A percent. So my final answer is not 22.2, it's 22.2%. And the 2 is repeating. So you could solve this as a decimal like this. If you wanted to do it as a fraction, you could have said 22 and then I had 2 left over that 9. That's fine also. But you do have to have the percent sign here because they specifically asked what percent. So you're looking for a percent, not a value in this case.